I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 14 of your class 6th English. That is a true hero. So let's begin with this lesson. For Swaminathan, events took an unexpected turn. स्वामीनाथन के इवेंट में अनएक्सपेक्टेड टर्न आया. फादर लुक्ड ओवर द न्यूज व्हेयर ही वाज रीडिंग अंडर द हॉल एंड लैम्प. सो फादर किसको देख रहे थे? एक न्यूज़पेपर को पढ़ रहे थे जो कहाँ पे था, उनके हॉल के लैम्प के नीचे था. और बोले एंड सेड, स्वामी लिसन टू दिस. स्वामी सुनो इस स्टोरी के बारे में, न्यूज़ टुडे के बारे में. न्यूज़ टुडे इज ऑफ ब्रेवरी ऑफ अ विलेज lad who while returning home with a by a jungle path came face to face with a tiger. एक स्टोरी के न्यूज़ के बारे में सुनो जो जब वो अपने जंगल पाथ से घर वापस आ रहा था, एक फेस टू फेस वो किससे मिला? टाइगर से मिला. The paragraph described the fight the boy had with the tiger. पैराग्राफ में क्या डिस्क्राइब करी? वो लड़ाई जो बॉय को किससे लड़ी? उसने टाइगर से. And his flights up a tree. His flights up a tree. जो फ्लाइट अप करा उसने ट्री पे से. Where he stayed for half a day. वो पूरे आधे दिन के लिए रहा वहाँ पे. And some people came that way and killed the tiger. कुछ पीपल वहाँ आए और टाइगर को उन्होंने मार दिया. Swaminathan remarked, I think he must have been a very strong and grown-up person. स्वामीनाथन ने बोला वो पक्का, मुझे लगता है कि पक्का बड़ा और स्ट्रॉन्ग और एक ग्रोन अप पर्सन होगा. नॉट एट ऑल अ बॉय. एक बच्चा तो बॉय तो होगा नहीं वो. हाउ कुड अ बॉय फाइट अ टाइगर? बॉय कैसे फाइट कर सकता है टाइगर से? यू थिंक यू आर वाइजर देन द न्यूज़पेपर? फादर स्नीयर्ड. क्या तुम्हें लगता है तुम वाइजर और न्यूज़पेपर से ज्यादा? फादर ने बोला, अ मैन मे हैव द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ एन एलिफेंट एंड येट टू बी अ कावर्ड. एक मैन में एलिफेंट की भी स्ट्रेंथ होती है, कावर्ड की भी स्ट्रेंथ होती है. Whereas another may have the strength of a straw, but it has courage. He can do if he has courage, he can do anything. So एक में क्या होती है? straw की भी strength होती है और अगर उसमें courage है तो कुछ भी कर सकता है. Courage is everything. Strength and age are not important. Courage ही हर चीज होती है, age और strength important नहीं होते. स्वामी did not agree with this theory. स्वामी ने agree नहीं करा इस theory से. How can it be father? उसने कैसे बोला? उसने बोला कैसे हो सकता है father? Suppose I have all the courage. What I can do if a tiger could attack me? Suppose मेरे पे courage हो, अगर टाइगर मेरे पर अटैक करेगा तो मैं क्या ही कर पाऊंगा? Leave all strength. Can you prove you have courage? चलो सब स्ट्रेंथ छोड़ो, क्या प्रूव कर सकते हो आप पे करेज है? Let me see if you can sleep alone tonight in my office room. चलो मैं देखता हूँ आप मेरे ऑफिस रूम में. उसने अपने स्वामी से बोला, चलो मैं देखता हूँ क्या तुम मेरे ऑफिस रूम में अकेले सो सकते हो. फ्राइटफुल प्रोपोजिशन. स्वामीनाथन कॉड. एक फ्राइटफुल प्रोपोजिशन के बारे में स्वामीनाथन ने सोचा. He always slept beside the granny. वो हमेशा ग्रैनी के साइड में सोता है. And any change in this arrangement kept him trembling and awake all night. कोई भी चेंज होगा इस चीज में तो वो पूरी रात ट्रैम्बल करता रहेगा, पूरी रात अवेक जागता रहेगा. He hoped the first that his father was only joking. उसको पहले लगा कि खाली उसके फादर मजाक कर रहे हैं. He mumbled weakly, from the first of next month I will sleep along father. So उसने mumble करके weakly बोला कि from the first of next month I will sleep along with father. मैं I will sleep along. मैं सो जाऊंगा. Father, now no, you must to do it now. नहीं, तुम्हें अभी करना है ये. It is disgraceful sleep beside any granny. Beside granny or mother like a baby. बहुत disgraceful sleep है जो तुम granny और mother के पास सोते हो. You are in second form and I don't at all like the way you are being brought up. तो तुम सेकेंड फॉर्म में हो, मुझे नहीं लगता, मतलब सेकेंड फॉर्म इज द क्लास 7. मुझे नहीं लगता कि तुम जैसे ग्रोन अप, मतलब तुम्हारी देख रेख हो रही है, मुझे पसंद नहीं आ रही वो. आई लुक दैट इज वाइफ हु वाज रॉकिंग द क्रेडल. और उसने अपनी वाइफ की तरफ देखा जो रॉक कर रही थी क्रेडल को. व्हाई डू यू लुक एट मी व्हाइल यू सेड? शी आस्क्ड. उसने बोला, जब आप ये कह रहे थे आप मेरी तरफ क्यों देखा आपने? ये बोलते हो. आई हार्डली नो एनीथिंग अबाउट द बॉय. मुझे कुछ नहीं पता बॉय के बारे में. नो आई डोंट मीन यू, फादर सेड. फादर ने बोला, नहीं मेरा मतलब वो नहीं था. मेरा मतलब तुमसे नहीं था. If you mean your mother is spoiling him, tell her so. अगर तुम्हें लगता है आपकी मदर इसको स्पॉइल कर रही है तो उनसे बोलो. And I don't look at me. मेरी तरफ मत दो. She said, turned away. Swaminathan fathers get gloomily gazing at the newspaper on his lap. वो gloomily gaze करते थे अपने न्यूज़पेपर में जो उनके लैप पे रखे हुए थे. Swaminathan rose silently and tiptoed away to his bed in the passage. वो साइलेंटली गया टिपटो करके अपने बेड पे चला गया जो पैसेज में था. Presently father came and stood over it. फिर फादर आते हैं उसके पास खड़े जाते हैं. स्वामी गेट अप ही सेड. उन्होंने बोला स्वामी चलो उठो. He looked in an apparition in the semi darkness. उन्होंने किस पे देखा? apparition की तरफ देखा. किसमें? apparition means ghost की तरफ. semi darkness में स्वामी नाथन stared and groaned at it in sleep. स्वामीनाथन stared था, groaned था sleep में. Father said get up स्वामी. फादर ने बोला उठो स्वामी. Granny pleaded, why do you disturbing? Granny ने बोला क्यों तुम इसे परेशान कर रहे हो? Get up स्वामी, he said for the third time. Third time फिर से बोले फादर उठो चलो स्वामी. And स्वामीनाथन got up. स्वामी उठ गए. God come with me. उन्होंने फादर ने बोला चलो मेरे साथ. स्वामीनाथन looked at his granny, hesitated for a moment. स्वामीनाथन ने अपनी granny की तरफ देखा, थोड़ी देर के लिए hesitate करा. Followed his father into the office room. और follow करा अपने father को office room की तरफ. On the way, he threw a look of appeal at his mother and she said, एक look उन्होंने दी, एक look of appeal दी अपनी mother की तरफ रास्ते में. Why do you take him to the office room? He can sleep in the hall, I think. आप इस office room में क्यों लेके जा रहे हो? ये hall में भी सो सकता है मुझे लगता है. I don't think so, father said. Father ने बोला नहीं मुझे नहीं लगता. स्वामीनाथन slumped behind him with bowed head. स्वामीनाथन slump करा मतलब पीछे छुप रहा था एक bowed head के साथ. I let me sleep in the hall, father. He pleaded. उसने बोला मेरे को हॉल में सोने दो father. Your office room is very dusty and there may be scorpions behind your law books. आपको ऑफिस रूम बहुत dusty, आपकी law books के पीछे पक्का scorpions होंगे मतलब बिच्छू. There are no scorpions like fellow. Sleep on the bench of if you like. वहाँ पे कोई scorpions नहीं, अगर आप तुम चाहो तो bench पे सो सकते हो. Can I have a lamp burning in the room? क्या मैं lamp चला सकता हूँ रूम में? No, you must learn not to be afraid of darkness. नहीं, तुम्हें सीखना चाहिए कि darkness से हमें नहीं डरना है. If it only question or of habit, it is only a question of habit. ये खाली एक आदत की बात है. You must cultivate good habits. तुम्हारे अंदर अच्छी आदतें आनी चाहिए. Will you at least leave the door open? क्या आप दरवाजा खुला रख सकते हो? All right, but promise you will not go to your granny's side at night. पर promise करो तुम granny की side में नहीं जाओगे रात में. If you do it, mind you, I will make you the laughing stock of your school. और तुमने ऐसा करा तो मैं तुम्हें पक्का तुम्हें laughing stock बना दूंगा, मतलब तुम्हें तुम्हारे स्कूल में बता दूंगा कि someone who is stupid, like ऐसा फील करा दूंगा तुम्हारे स्कूल में. स्वामीनाथन felt cut off from humanity. स्वामीनाथन ने ऐसा फील करा cut off humanity से. He was pained and angry. वो डर में था और angry, मतलब वो दर्द में था और गुस्से में था. He hated the newspaper. उसे newspaper बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया. From printing the tiger story, he wished that the tiger had not spared the boy. उसको लगा कि इस टाइगर को छोड़ना ही नहीं चाहिए था बॉय को. Who did not appear to be a boy after all, but a monster. वो एक monster की तरह था. At the night advanced and the silence in the house deepened. फिर तो night चली गई. Night पूरी थी, मतलब रात का टाइम था और house में पूरी शांति थी. His heart began to beat faster. उसकी heart beat fast हो गई. He remembered all the stories of devils and ghosts he has heard in his life. उसने किसके बारे में सुना? Devils की, ghosts की stories के बारे में जो उसने उसकी लाइफ में उसने सुनी थी, सबके बारे में उसे याद आने लगा. He was faint with fear. उसमें एकदम डर का माहौल हो गया. A ray of light from the street lamp strayed in and cast shadow on the wall. एक रे ऑफ लाइट आई जो स्ट्रीट की लाइट आ रही थी, वो एकदम वॉल पे एक शेडो बना रही थी. Through the stillness, all kinds of noises reached the ears. सारी noises आ रही थी उसके ears तक. The ticking of the clock, the rustle of the trees. ticking clock की आ रही थी, rustles जो trees के होते हैं. The sound of snoring and some walk night insects humming. जो sound आती snore करते हुए walk night insects की hum करते हुए. स्वामीनाथन फिर hurriedly got up. स्वामीनाथन एकदम उठे and lay down under the bench. और bench के अंदर lay down करा. It seemed to be much safer place. उसे वो ज़्यादा safer place लगा. More compact and reassuring. मतलब compact और reassuring space लगा वो. He shut his eyes tight and unknown to himself. उसने अपनी eyes बंद करी, मतलब unknown अपने आप से himself, और सो गया. And fell asleep. A tiger was chasing him. एक tiger उसको chase कर रहा था, ऐसा लगा उसको. Swaminathan groaned in despair. वो एकदम उठा. And now was this rustling, something was moving. And कि जैसे कुछ चीज move कर रही है. His hand had come. His end, उसका आखिर में end आ चुका. He realized that the devil would from presently pull him out and tear him. उसको लगा कि टाइगर आ गया, devil उसको निकाल देगा और उसे टीयर कर देगा. So why he wait? So why should he wait? उसको क्यों wait करना चाहिए? As it came nearer, he crawled out from under the bench. जैसे वो पास आता है, वो बेंच के नीचे से निकला and hugged it with all his might. और उसने उसको hug कर लिया and used his teeth on it like a mortal weapon. और अपने teeth को use करा किसकी तरह? एक mortal weapon की तरह. So Ayyo, something has bitten me, went forth an agonised thundering cry and was followed by a heavy tumbling and falling amidst furniture. So उसको लगा यो किसी ने मुझे बाइट करा है. Agonist thundering cry, एक रोने की आवाज आई. Was with a heavy tumbling and falling amidst furniture, like furniture गिरते हुए. In a moment, father, the cook and a helper came in carrying lights. एकदम father, एक cook और एक helper आते हैं lights carry करते हुए. And all of them fell on a burglar who lay amidst the furniture with a bleeding ankle. So एक burglar पे amidst furniture पे थे वो जो ankle में से bleed कर रही थी. Congratulations we were showered on Swaminathan the next day. Congratulations की आवाज आने लगी स्वामीनाथन पे उस दिन. His classmates looked at him with respect and his teacher patted his back. Classmate respect से उसे देख रहे थे. एक teachers ने उसकी पीठ उसकी back पे pat करा था. The headmaster said that he was a true hero. तो headmaster ने बोला ये तो सच का hero था. Swaminathan has bitten into the flesh of one of the most notorious housebreakers of the district and the police were grateful to him for it. So Swaminathan ने क्या करा है उसने bite करा था flesh को most notorious housebreaker का जो मतलब को चोर का जो होता है और district police grateful थी उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा. The inspector said, "Why don't you join the police when you grow up?" तो inspector ने बोला जब तुम बड़े हो जाओ तुम इस पुलिस को join क्यों नहीं करते? Swaminathan said, "For the sake of politeness, certainly yes." उन्होंने politeness के लिए बोला yes. Thought he had quite made up his mind to be an engine driver. उसने बना रखा था अपना mind engine driver का, a railway guard का और a bus conductor later in life. When he returned home from the club that night, father asked, "Where is the boy?" जैसे वो club से वापस आता है, father ने बोला, boy कहाँ है वो? He is asleep, वो सो चुका है. Where is he sleeping? कहाँ सो रहा है वो? In his usual place, mother said casually अपनी टेस्ट पे. He went to the bed at 7:30. वो बेड पे चला गया था 7:30 बजे. Sleeping beside his granny again, father said. Father ने बोला क्या वो granny के पास सो रहा है? No wonder he wanted to be asleep before I could return home. Clever boy. वो चाहता है वो पहले ही सो गया जब तक मैं घर आता वापस. Mother lost her temper. Mother को गुस्सा आया. You let him sleep where he likes. तुम उसको सोने दो जहाँ वो चाहता है. You need listen his life again. You did not risk his life again. अब तुम उसकी लाइफ को रिस्क में मत डालना फिर से. Father mumbled as he went into change. All right, Molly Coddle. Him as you like. So उसने बोला ठीक है Molly Coddle niece. Give someone too much care. जैसे तुम्हें पसंद हो तुम ऐसे उसके केयर और प्रोटेक्शन करो. Only don't blame me afterward. बाद में मुझे blame मत करना. Swaminathan, following the whole conversation from under the blanket, felt tremendously relieved that his father was giving up on him. तो Swaminathan जो सुन रहा था conversation blanket के अंदर से उसे एक relief मिल गया कि अब उसके father उस पर give up कर रहे हैं मतलब परेशान नहीं करेंगे. So now let's solve the exercises of this lesson. Multiple choice question. What does Swaminathan father suggest as a measure of courage? Fighting a tiger, sleeping alone in the office room, staying in up all the night with fear. None of these. Sleeping alone in the office room. Father looked over the dash he was reading under the whole lamp. Newspaper. Swami did not agree with his subject theory matter. None of these. You must dash it now. You must do it now. Why don't you join the police when you grow up? Now, fill in the blanks. The boy had a fight with the किससे fight करी boy ने? With a tiger. Swami's father believed that dash is everything, courage. Swami's father said, gloomily gazing at the newspaper. Swaminathan called out from under the bench. The inspector suggested Swaminathan to join the police when he grows up. Now write T for true and F for false statements. The newspaper story was about a boy who had fought and killed a tiger. True. The father felt that courage was all that mattered. True. Father did not approve of the way Swaminathan was being brought up. True. When he saw something approaching him in the night, he caught it and bit it. True. Swaminathan decided to join the police when he grew up. True. His act of catching the burglar had nothing to do with courage. Now answer the following questions. Where did Swaminathan father want him to sleep? The Swaminathan father want him to sleep in the office room. What caused Swaminathan to feel cut off from humanity? Swaminathan felt that his father was thinking about others, that sleeping alone is called the courageful person, but he thought that if he would plead, he pleaded to his father to slap him with a granny, but her father did not allow. So he thought to feel cut from the humanity. Why did his fathers want Swaminathan to sleep alone? How did he react to his father's suggestion? Why did Swaminathan father want him to sleep alone? Because he wanted Swaminathan to be courageous. How did he react to his father's suggestion? He pleaded to her father not to sleep. He will sleep in the starting of the next month over there. Describing Swaminathan's experience alone in the office room at night. Swaminathan was feeling very dangerous over there. He was very scumbled over there. He crawled under the bench and he caught the burglar at that night by biting to his neck. So how was Swaminathan greeted on the day after he caught the burglar? How did he react to it? What does it tell us about him? Was he a hero? So Swaminathan, everyone greeted her very well. Everyone praised her. Her teacher patted her on the back, and her friends and his classmates clapped for her. They were very happy. They reacted very happily to his braveness. And how did it tell us about what does it tell us about him? We get to know that the Swaminathan is very courageous and he can do anything that he wants. Was he a hero? Yes, he was a hero. The inspector wants to be in a police when he grow up. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation on this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.